Atmosphere is what transforms a flat photo bash composition into a scene that feels deep, immersive, and cinematic. Today, how to explore photo bash atmosphere effects. Open Photoshop and begin with a canvas around 3500 by 2000 pixels. Then import your environment composition onto the canvas. To start building atmosphere, create a new layer above the background and use a very large soft white brush at low opacity to gently paint mist across distant areas of the scene. Change this layer's blend mode to screen so the haze interacts naturally with the environment. Next, duplicate the layer and apply a slight Gaussian blur to spread the fog more evenly across the distance. For foreground atmosphere, create another layer and